Is your Microsoft Edge too slow? Does it take more time to load up? Or maybe the download speed is too slow for your Microsoft Edge? Do you have these issues? Don't worry, you've come to the right video. Hi, my name is Shola and I'm going to guide you through the process of how to set up your Microsoft Edge correctly so that it loads up faster, works faster, and your download speed increases. Now we're going to open up our Microsoft Edge. We're going to click on these three dots. We're going to go to the option called extensions. We're going to go to the manage extensions. Now you want to be making sure that you do not have any kind of spammy extension that is eating up all of your internet or making the Microsoft Edge too slow. If you have those, please do remove them because otherwise your Microsoft Edge will be very slow. Now that is step number one. Now for step number two, again, go to these three dots. We're going to go to settings. Now we're going to go to this option called start, home, and new tabs. You want to be making sure that you have this option selected. Open these pages. I already have Google added here. So if you want to add a new page whenever you open your Microsoft Edge, all you have to do is click on this option, add a new page, and you can just add this URL www.google.com and just add it. It will get added automatically so that whenever you open Edge, it will directly go to the Google page. Now apart from that, that is the second step. Now the third step is very important, and it will boost up your Microsoft Edge download speed by a lot. Go to a new tab. We're going to type in edge://flags. Press enter. Now it will show you all of the flags which are currently available in Edge. We're going to search for parallel downloading. As you can see here, parallel downloading. Make sure that this is not default. You have to make it enabled. This is the most important step. Unless you make it enabled, your download speed will not increase. So make sure it is enabled, and after you do that, please close your Microsoft Edge once and then open it. It would get enabled automatically and you will see a drastic speed increase in your Microsoft Edge. That is my guarantee. Your Microsoft Edge will load up faster, your download speed will increase a lot, so please do give it a try. Let me know down in the comment section below. And if you like this video, please subscribe to the channel as well. It will really help me out. And thanks for watching. I'm gonna see you guys in the next one.